Mother. Mother. Sucker.
Let me check it. There you go. You're welcome. Happy Tuesday. This morning was very eventful. Not really. I just forgot my key at the gym last night, so I'm really late to work. I already called in and everything, but still, I feel bad at work.
I love your camera already.
Yum. How was the movie?
Hey, this is illegal. You're kicked out.
Movie's over. Good movie?
You cried like a girl.
I did. Watch, what's it called?
Quiet Place.
The Quiet Place. It's really good. Hello. Happy Friday. Friday! I am at Carlos's, obviously, and I'm here to edit. I haven't uploaded a video all of this week, and I don't think last week. I get some videos done. I have some that could be finalized, like could almost be finalized, but like I need like one more clip, whatever. But I'm gonna work on some videos today. I'm with Penny. My baby's enjoying her bone. Penny! Penny! Hi! Are you enjoying your bone? Yeah. So we can't record in my room. Well, it looks nice right now, but it's also sunset and like it's beautiful right now, but the sun's gonna be gone in a second, and the video is probably gonna take like 30 minutes, an hour. So
they usually take an hour. The one last the monk bunk.
The what?
Close to 2 hours.
Yeah. So we're just gonna go out and hang out.
Feels 3 o'clock maybe.
Yeah. I don't have any more fruit ones.
Oh, they're out of fruit.
Wow. You can get a whole cake. We're in the Korean supermarket. Well, there's
That's what we get?
Yeah. These are the cheesecakes that Carlos likes very much. Yeah, we'll get two. And then, let's see if they have the mochi ice cream here. Oh my god, there's so many options. Matcha coconut cream. Ooh.
I'll record.
That's good. Alright guys, we got our cheesecakes. No, babe! Alright, we got our cheesecakes.
You got your ice cream.
And then our mochi ice creams. We got chocolate and matcha. These are coconut cream. I don't know what they taste like, but they're dairy free.
Texture.
Good morning, everyone. I'm trying to stay quiet because these walls are thin and my brother is next door. But me and Carlos are going hiking this morning. I just woke up. We're at the Oak Canyon Nature Center. Wow, this is beautiful.
You get lost. Kill you.
We just remember to go down the stairs.
I kill you.
Get the shot.
It's all about the shot. It's all about the shot.
Oh! Oh!
Right here. What do you think? Nature. We're literally in nature.
We're in a river. I can move this?
Yeah, it's a zoom.
Where?
It's twisted. It's a zoom. 24 to 70. You didn't know that?
Guys.
Hey guys, we're out here in the jungle. You gotta say it.
Hey guys, we're out here in the jungle. Super cool. They're having a beautiful wedding.
Game of Thrones.
I'm shaking way too much. Aunt Yessie's. Fatty alert. French toast, eggs. Hello. We came back from our breakfast slash hike and we are going to film my sister. We're gonna film me doing my sister's makeup for prom. Aw, my little kid sister's going to prom. That's crazy.
She's gonna get freaking drunk.
No, she's not. My little
Chocolate
PA.
chocolate whiskey.
My PA right here. So the star of the show is here. Prom. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Cry baby. How does your tia look? You wear dresses? What you doing, mama? Pose for me. Pose, pose, model, model, model. Ow! You ready? 1, 2. So I just dropped off my sister and her date at the location to only find out that she forgot her wallet, which has her ID, which is the only way she'll get into prom. So I have to go all the way back home and bring it back to her. It's like a good 20 minutes away, so she might have to be waiting for a little bit. But of course, that little girl is gonna forget the one thing she needs to get into prom. Like, come on. Really, babe?
What?
You have something in your eye.
Really? Really? It feels like I have something in my eye now.
We are at Carlos's. We're gonna drop off his gear and then we're gonna go get boba.
My gear.
Because we might pick up Linda for prom and yeah, so we're gonna have to like kill time. Hello. Sorry the music's really loud because my mom is like jamming out. But I just wanted to quickly say that this vlog was like a month ago, very old, but I wanted to put it out because it had so much like fun stuff and like funny moments. So I apologize that it's so late, but I also didn't end it. So here I am ending it now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.